Okay, let's look at this question here. Convert 6.21% compounded monthly to an equivalent rate, interest rate compounded semi-annually. Okay, now we have to round the effective, which is this one right here, to 4 decimal places, and the nominal down here, nominal 2, to 2 decimal places. All right, so let's start. How do we start? So we have to go to second and click on 2, and then we are into the menu with nominal. That is one item. There is effective, as you can see right there, and CY. So those are the 3 items in there. So what is the nominal rate? The nominal rate is 6.21. So let's enter that number in here. Let's enter it in here, 6.21. All right. And CY, this is compounded monthly. So CY is 12. And we can compute the effective rate. All right. So the nominal is 6.21. And you click on enter. There it is. We skip over effective. We go to CY. CY is 12. So we go 12 and I will enter it. So CY is 12. Now I can go up here back to the effective, or I could just go around to effective. It will come back eventually. And I will hit CPT to compute what is the effective. Now I need 4 decimal places. So I will enter 6.3898. So those are my 4 decimal places. Now for the next part down here, I want compounded semi-annually, right over here, correct? Compounded semi-annually. So that means CY will be 2. So the effective will remain as it is. We want to find what is the equivalent of 6.21% compounded monthly, the rate if it is compounded semi-annually. So now we go down, and instead of 12 for CY, we enter 2. We click on 2 and we click enter. Now we go back to the nominal, and that is the number we are looking for. So we hit compute, and we only need 2 decimal places as indicated up there. So we can terminate it at 2 decimal places at 6.29. But there's nothing wrong with putting 6.2909. Now let's submit this first, and it is correct. Now let's see if we do put in the 4 decimal places, what happens. If we submit, it is still marked correct.